Hi, my name is Joe, and we're talking about the Sapphire Cubicle System right now. When you put two panels together in a straight run, this is how you do it. First of all, you would use your 1-inch hex bolts. And then you would go from non-threaded to a threaded washer. First, do it by hand. Make sure you're snug. I'm going to put 3 bolts in on this particular system. Again, we're going through a non-threaded to a threaded washer. And what you want to do is snug them up a little bit. Nothing. You don't want to. Definitely don't want to go too tight. Just want to snug them to get them in there. You want to make sure you have a level on it. Make sure you're level. So we're going to put it right in the middle there. So it looks like we have to go up. Now we are level. Okay? And once it's level, you just want to make it snug as much as possible, using a 7/16 Allen key. Little snug, and that's that. Always make sure your panels are level before tightening.